Recently, a steam car wash is in the spotlight of drivers. Using high temperature and high pressure, the steam car wash is useful for cleaning indoor dashboards and removing stains and bad odors on car seats and mats, as well as cleaning hard-to-reach nooks and crannies in the wheels and auto lamps. A car covered with fine dust and various kinds of contaminants. Just with the Optima Steamer, it becomes clean and shiny like a brand new car. But the biggest strength of the steam car wash lies somewhere else. In total, 120 liters. Car wash is 100 liters. On the contrary, steam car wash needs only 1.5 bottles of 2 liters, which means only 3 liters in total because it doesn't need to shower with water. Steam car wash produces little to no wastewater because it uses only steam without chemicals. A steam car wash using a fraction of water without chemicals and producing zero wastewater is an environmentally friendly washing method.
What you got here? This is kind of cool.
Hi Jay, thank you for having me.
How are you? Thanks for coming. So you started your business?
Word of mouth has even spread to TV media in the United States. The Optima Steamer appeared on a famous talk show, Jay Leno's Garage. Optima Steamer became popular after showcasing its amazing performance on air across the U.S. SEII is specialized in producing eco-friendly high-pressure steam washers. More than half of the steam washers sold to the overseas market are produced here. It looks like a portable carrier, but where does this powerful steam come from in such a cute and sleek machine? Heating water in a boiler and spraying steam using the pressure is basically how Optima Steamer works. This boiler system has a 3-layer structure which can endure high temperature and pressure and maximize combustion efficiency at the same time. It adopted a so-called reverse burning method. Latent heat in the form of exhaust gas is transferred down and up in the combustion chamber, and eventually released through the exhaust flue to the outside. This process increased combustion efficiency by 30%. It also obtained a patent worldwide. The difference in technology is revealed in steam pressure power. Let's take a look at the other company's steam pressure. This one is Optima Steamer. Its gushing sound and strength. Producing superheated steam continuously in a perfect temperature and pressure without experiencing pressure drop. This is the world's #1 power. Then let's see the efficacy of steam sanitation. Pour a fraction of decayed food on a cutting board and wipe it with an ordinary rag. That's generally how we clean the preparation area. It looks visually clean, but was the surface cleaned thoroughly? But the figure ATP device detected was surprising. Then let's clean the surface using Optima Steamer. Spray steam on the same surface for 10 seconds. Swab the surface and insert the swab stick in the ATP device. Did it really remove attached bacteria from the food contact surface? The test figure was dramatically dropped from the initial test. In this study, the efficacy of steam sanitation was verified by eliminating or significantly reducing the spoilage bacteria. With an outstanding performance, safety is one of the important criteria when evaluating the technology of a product. A compressed pressure vessel with high temperature and pressure always carries a risk of explosion. Optima Steamer has a full-fledged, fail-safe 6-stage protections including safety control over pressure, temperature, and safety valves to name a few. Capitalizing on the acquisition of safety and quality certifications from Canada, US, Europe, and patents from the domestic overseas market, SEII could succeed in entering the global market. At present, SEII has established a global sales network of 34 distributors around the world, including the US, Europe, and China.
#1 sales in the world. Optima Steamer is largely divided by diesel and electric model. Diesel model is operated by single-phase electricity, while electric model is operated by three-phase electricity. If power and steam switches on the panel are turned on in order from the LCD screen, a user easily can check water pump operating status. 3 water level sensors automatically check the water level of the steam vessel to prevent from overcharging and dry heating to avoid overheating and overpressure. If the water level of the steam vessel reaches at high water level sensor, water pump will stop. Then, the temperature of the steam vessel will reach 178 degrees Celsius. When the steam pressure reaches 8.5 bar, steam will be ready for use. When the moisture valve is closed, a user can use dry steam only. When the moisture valve is opened, a user can use wet steam. After finishing steam works, turn off steam and power switches in order, and steam out until the pressure of the steam vessel drops to 2 bar. When the pressure of the steam vessel drops under 2 bar, open the drain valve to release the water and steam remaining in the steam vessel. When the drain is completed, it is highly recommended to keep the drain valve opened until the next use. When it needs to reset the machine for the initial operation, it is recommended to turn off the steam and power switches for 5 seconds and turn on repeatedly more than twice. On the LCD screen, a user can check the condition of the machine. By taking a proper replacement, a user can keep the machine always in good condition. Optima Steamer is the first and only steam cleaning machine certified by SEII, UL, CSA, and SASO in the world. The world's best high-tech designed artificial intelligence system will ensure the safety of users and lifespans of the machines. Thanks to the safety certified parts and the safety devices, users can use powerful steam much safer. The world-patented steam vessel system structure enables Optima Steamer's powerful superheated steam to sterilize 99% of bacteria and remove oil stains. Likewise, Optima Steamer is used diversely in all the industrial fields. The world leader in industrial steam cleaning. Now, experience the Optima Steamer's unrivaled technology and steam power.